Yeah, what the deal is? Wonder why them thoughts about are still appealing. Wonder why your boy still caught up in his feelings. Wanna trade these inner demons for some dollars, man, you feel him?
Hey guys, welcome back to the Mason Maker. Real quick note before we start this project off, I just want to say thank you for all you out there watching these so far, sharing them, commenting, liking, taking some time out of your day to kind of see the weird stuff we do here at Ghost Lodge. We really appreciate it. So we're going to make this project super special because everything is a struggle when you have so much going on in your life. And this, I'm going to go ahead and call it a statue. I don't know, you tell me down below, right here. This speaks volumes to me. Like, I get it, man. That dude is having a hard day. And I love the fact that the steps are unsupported. I really like all that. And it uses junk metal, recycling things. So, hopefully with this ball bearing, these metal rods, this metal random rod that I had laying around, some 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch tubing, and a really rusted steel plate. I hope to be able to recreate this. So I got my little mimic guy right here. I got some really bad drawings on the chalkboard, and of course we got to make it Masonic too. So I think it speaks to Masonry, the guy that's constantly just bogged down with life. You got to keep climbing it. You just keep doing it. I think that speaks volumes in both Masonry and in your real life. So we're gonna make this. So let's get everything cut up, cleaned up, and yeah, a lot of the measurements we're just going to be playing in place in this one, I think. Because I don't know what I'm doing. But we're going to figure it out together. Let's climb those steps. Let's go.
Can you hear me calling? Am I wasting time? I can hear the echoes left with no reply. Can you hear me calling? Left inside my mind. What was once a fire, now the embers die goodbye.
Where did you go? We used to be kids, now I feel so grown. I miss being free to be me, not alone. I used to have friends, but we don't talk anymore. I guess that's on me, I got busy. I used to drink soda, now I switched to whiskey. I didn't want time to pass, but time is fast. I just wish you were more than memories. I got kids now, but I'm a kid now. I haven't grown in my mind, just my skin now. I don't get taxes, I hate chores, I hate mail, bills, and miss the outdoors. I feel like the air used to smell different. The grass was greener and the summers were for swimming. I used to play baseball every inning. Now I work for a living.
Can you hear me calling? Am I wasting time? I can hear the echoes left with no reply. Can you hear me calling? Left inside my mind. What was once a fire, now the embers die goodbye.
I watch more podcasts and hear less music. My brain feels different and I don't wanna lose it. I try to stay healthy but I'm tired all the time, cause there's too much on my mind. Got into meditation, just try to be more patient. Find a passion, a purpose, a reason to keep chasing all the dreams that I had when I was a little kid. Whatever happened to those dreams, man, there's something that I miss. Maybe I should do this, I always love music. Maybe I could find a way to make these dreams lucid. I really wanna try, cause I might have a chance before I die to see the world with the soulmate by my side. Yeah, that would be the life, not a fucking 9 to 5. I wanna feel alive for a minute at a time. Let the kid out that's been stuck, captive on the inside, who had dreams, big things were gonna come from his life.
Can you hear me calling? Am I wasting time? I can hear the echoes left with no reply. Can you hear me calling? Left inside my mind. What was once a fire, now the embers die goodbye.
Alright, so we got it welded up, we kind of got it. Made the steps kind of crooked to make it. I thought it gave it a more floaty look. Let me know what you think down below. But what we're going to do now is we're going to prime this thing up. We're going to shoot it with some paint. I think I'm going to go with a copper look to it. I think that would be really cool, make it stand out. You know, you can see it better from the backdrops and everything. So yeah, let's do some painting. Let's go.
There's things I can't seem to let go, and I feel like I'm all on my own. And some days it gets worse and the memories hurt, but I hope that one day I let go. I know I get mad, too mad, and I don't wanna do that. It hurts bad and I hate when the mood lasts. I move fast and I try hard to move past all the pain, cause I'm looking for a bright side in my mind, cause you only got one life. Need advice from the future, am I alright? If this fight feels like something from your own life, then one time let me hear you sing.
Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I could get out of this. And I feel like life moves way too fast to hold on to things from the past. So goodbye to things I'll never miss.
We don't run, no, we stand together and hold on through the angry weather. We all want to make something better, I know. And my trust has been torn and shredded, it's been rough, but I try to forget it and move on to a place where I can grow. It's time, not holding back, I'm coming and coming fast. I know what I wanna have, the dream is to detach from all that is bad, the things holding me back, the people that didn't last, the evil that kept me mad. This is my life, it's my time to do things just how I like. My runway for the lights, I'ma take flight, and my God is my purpose and my fight. If you feel the same, let me hear you sing.
Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I can get out of this. And I feel like life moves way too fast to hold.
Ooh, okay, we're back. That is it. We are done. And what I really enjoyed about this project is just letting the little imperfections just kind of happen. Like, I could have spent a lot of time grinding and straightening out the steps and doing a better job on the paint job. But given the nature of this particular thing, the struggle of climbing up, I think the imperfections just kind of highlight that, and I really enjoyed that. Like everything, I got a flux core welder. It was just spitting half the time. I'm sure you saw in the video, but I really like the way it came out anyway. Because again, it's not perfect, and it's just beautiful. And I think it has a symbiotic nature to what a lot of people go through. Just that struggle, knowing that it's not perfect. You're just trying to get through it, and really like it. I didn't mean to get that deep. I really didn't. I'm really not that deep of a guy, but I'm really happy with this project and the way it just kind of came out. Hope you enjoyed it. Think about liking and subscribing. We really like having you all come over here to Ghost Lodge and hang out with us and just kind of see the weird things that happen in Masonry. So definitely, and of course, if you got an idea, I'm running low, so help me out. We'll make any trinket that you want here. We'll throw a Masonic emblem on it. We'll call it Masonic. Alright guys. Alright, I got nothing else. Never to look down on anybody unless you're willing to help them up. Catch you on the next one. Bye.
Yeah. So dedicated to the ones that feel alone, that ain't no one gonna hear what they've been saying. Yeah. And I've been relating, cause I felt the same myself, thinking that ain't no one gonna come around when you're yelling for help. So they just